Welcome back to, if you're looking to save money quickly, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll share 10 simple tips to help you save money fast. Let's dive in. First, track your spending. Knowing where your money goes is the first step to saving. Use a budgeting app like YNAB or Mint to keep tabs on your expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. Meet Sarah. Sarah used to feel like she was always short on cash by the end of the month. She decided to track her spending using the Mint app. She discovered that she was spending $150 a month on daily coffee runs and $200 on spontaneous online shopping. By making coffee at home and setting a strict online shopping budget, Sarah saved $250 in her first month. Create a savings plan. Set a specific savings goal and automate transfers from your checking account to your savings account. Even small, regular deposits can add up over time. John wanted to save for a vacation but found it hard to set money aside. He set up an automatic transfer of $50 from his checking to his savings account every week. By the end of the year, John had $2,600 saved without feeling the pinch, making his dream vacation a reality. Review your subscriptions. Cancel any services you don't use regularly. Streaming services, gym memberships, and magazine subscriptions can quickly add up. Trim down to what you really need. Emma had multiple streaming services, a rarely used gym membership, and several magazine subscriptions. She realized she was spending $75 a month on these. By canceling all but one streaming service and opting for home workouts, Emma saved $60 a month, totaling $720 a year. Tip 4. Cook at home. Dining out and ordering takeout can really drain your wallet. Plan your meals, cook in batches, and use leftovers. It's not only healthier but much cheaper. Michael and Lisa love dining out, spending about $400 a month on restaurants and takeout. They decided to start meal planning and cooking at home. By doing so, they reduced their dining out budget to $100 a month, saving $300 monthly. They used the savings to pay off credit card debt faster. Tip 5. Use cashback and rewards apps. Apps like Rakuten, Honey, and various credit card rewards programs offer cash back on your purchases. It's an easy way to save on things you're already buying. Jessica used Rakuten for her online shopping. Over the holiday season, she spent $1,000 on gifts and earned $50 cash back. Additionally, by using her rewards credit card for everyday purchases, she accumulated enough points to get a $100 gift card, saving a total of $150. Tip 6. Shop with a list. Whether you're grocery shopping or buying clothes, always go with a list and stick to it. This prevents impulse buys and keeps you focused on what you actually need. Tom used to go grocery shopping without a list, often spending $150 on unplanned items. By making a weekly meal plan and a shopping list, he cut his grocery bill to $100. Over a month, this saved him $200. Tip 7. Reduce utility bills. Simple changes like lowering your thermostat, using energy-efficient bulbs, and unplugging electronics when not in use can significantly cut your electricity and heating costs. Anna and Mark decided to reduce their utility bills by making small changes. They lowered their thermostat by 3 degrees, switched to LED bulbs, and unplugged electronics when not in use. Their monthly energy bill dropped by $50, saving them $600 annually. Tip 8. Sell unused items. Sell unused items. Go through your home and identify items you no longer need. Sell them online through platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Craigslist to make some extra cash. Laura did a spring cleaning and found several items she no longer used, including old electronics and clothes. She listed them on eBay and Facebook Marketplace, earning $400. She used this money to boost her emergency fund. Tip 9. Use public transportation. Use public transportation or carpool. If possible, switch to public transport, bike, or carpool to work. This saves on gas, parking, and maintenance costs. David commuted to work by car, spending $150 a month on gas and $100 on parking. He switched to taking the bus, which cost him $50 a month for a transit pass. This change saved him $200 monthly, totaling $2,400 a year. Tip 10. DIY where you can. Do it yourself. Before hiring someone for small jobs like fixing a leaky faucet or painting a room, see if you can do it yourself. YouTube is a great resource for tutorials on just about anything. Rachel had a leaky faucet and a room that needed painting. She watched YouTube tutorials and did both tasks herself. The faucet fix cost her $10 in parts instead of $100 for a plumber, and painting the room cost $50 in supplies instead of $300 for a professional. She saved $340. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial advice. Comment below with your own money-saving tips or let us know which tip you'll try first. See you next time.